Hey, Dr. Eric here. As many of you know, I believe walking and hiking are two of the best exercises on the planet, and it's good for whatever ails you. And today, it's February in Alabama, but it's 64 degrees, so I got to go out and have a walk. But tomorrow it could be 20, and I'm sorry, but that's just a little too nippy for me to go outside. So what do? Well, enter the mighty jump rope. You know, the last time I calculated it, jumping rope burns about 2.5 times the calories of walking. You can do it indoors, and it doesn't take a lot of space. Equipment's cheap. It's a great thing to do. But you may find, like I did, it's been way south of 40 years since you last jumped rope, and it's not nearly as easy as you remembered it. So what's the solution to that? Well, get you a weighted rope. I would recommend starting out 1/2 pound to 1 pound for your rope, and this will help get the rope around when you swing it. Not only that, it gives you a great upper body workout. So go get you a jump rope when it gets too cold and have fun. Now, if you like health tips like this, check out my other videos. I'll talk to you later. This has been Dr. Eric.